Welcome everybody. Welcome to today's video. You guys come along with us today. We're going to be doing some cedar hedge trimming here in Canada. For some of you that are new to our channel, we trim cedar hedge for a living. So we got this one all done over here, this nice big one. We did both sides. We did it 2 years ago. That's why you see through them there. They don't quite have enough time to get more growth, and there's some big trees here. We already cut there was a big tree that had fallen on this little place where they keep their boat stuff. A couple years ago we took down. You guys can look back and look at that video. We're right by the lake here. Beautiful place on the lake. So we're doing two neighbors here. We're doing across the street on the other side of the tennis courts and all that, and we're doing on this side. This side we're already all done. Everything's all trimmed up. Everything's right there. Now we're doing over on the other side. We're down one of the boom vans. One of the boom vans broke on Friday, so that's back at Ford getting fixed. The high pressure diesel line broke. We have another client in over here, but it was sold. I gave a card to the new owner. They had the groundskeeper was there, gave it to him for him to give it to the owner. All right, so we'll be back this week too. We got some tree work to do here. They gave us some tree work this morning to do. We don't have time to do that today. That's why you see all the ribbons everywhere, and there's a dead tree over behind the tennis court and some dead limbs. So we'll trim this all up. See one of the guys way down there. Frank's down at the other end there trimming. So we're gonna trim all the way down, then all the way back up. So we'll bring you guys along with us, show you guys what we got going on. We'll trim this right here. Trim that one right there. All right. Hope you guys enjoy. All right, we're just finishing this one up. We just got here. I didn't have time to film, so been kind of busy late the last couple of days. Haven't had a lot of time to do much filming. That one out back there, we do the top, but we can't get in. It's way too wide. We can't get across up there anymore. And Brian does that little part there. He tries to sneak the van in between the garage and the carport. That over there, that's a neighbor. I'll show you guys how tight it is up here. So we backed the van right up to here. I got to pull up a little bit to get him out. Did you hear that? I heard somebody say, hey. He said, hey. Then he said, hey, hey. That means slow down. Means stop. All right, so that's quite a little place to get into here. Nice and tight. All right, let's head over next one, you guys. Alright, she's all done. That's what it's gonna look like. Gonna clean it all up, clean the ground here. The boys will clean that all up, make it look good. You guys come along with us. Hope you guys are enjoying this. If there's anything you guys want us to show you guys, you let us know. Just write it in the comments. Alright, let's head over to the next one. I'll show you guys what we got going on.